SIMOLIO JH737D2 is a set with Bluetooth transmitter stand and 2 pairs of Bluetooth headphones for TV watching. You will find these contents in this video. Here's what you'll find in the box. First, connect the Bluetooth transmitter to a power source. Then turn on the transmitter. Next, turn on both headphones. Take the headphones close to the transmitter and wait for a few seconds. They will pair automatically. After successful pairing, transmitter's Bluetooth LED turns solid blue, headphones' Bluetooth LED flashes blue. There are 3 ways to connect the transmitter to your TV. Optical, auxiliary, and RCA. If you have optical, connect the transmitter to the digital audio output on your TV. Then OPT LED on the transmitter turns solid white automatically. Next, set the sound format to PCM. And the sound out format to external speaker or internal speaker plus external speaker. If you are using AUX, connect the transmitter to your TV's headphone jack using the AUX cable. Then AUX LED on the transmitter lights up white automatically. Make sure your TV's output is set to headset. If you have an older TV, you may need to connect the transmitter to your TV's red and white ports labeled audio out. The AUX LED lights up white automatically once connected. Make sure your TV is set to external speaker in the sound setting. The bypass function supports audio output to our headphones and your soundbar. Make sure you use the same type of input and output. There are 2 ways to charge the headphones. First, simply place the headphones on the base. Also, you may plug the headphones into a USB power source. Please contact us if you need help.